Hey guys, it's Roger. I'm going to give you a tour of this Madison home at Cresswind Wesley Chapel, and here's why. My broker partner Joe Top has it listed. You know, people move into a 55 plus. When my wife and I did, we said, hey, we will never leave. And yet you never know. Life is full of twists and turns. This house is not very old. It's decked out to the max. And if you've been looking at the Madison, it's one of the more popular plans. And this is the way it looks from the front. It's gorgeous, but wait till you see the rear. It's landscaped nicely. It's just a welcoming entry. When you come to the door, it's got light in the door. It's gorgeous. And a lot of the things that you're going to see today are actually included in the price of the house. So it's priced in the $875 to $900 range. So you got a bedroom up in front. Notice 10-foot ceilings. It's gorgeous. Now, the colors in this home and some of the lighting fixtures and have been designed by the designer that you hear me talk about so much, which is Marcy Sachs from Romancing the Home. The garage, by the way, has a lot of storage built in, which is amazing. Stuff that you won't have to do. So yeah, you can buy one of these from dirt and have it built with all your colors, but this is like buying a house and hiring an interior decorator all at once. Move in, ready to go. So the colors are unique and special. See, that's even got room for the dog crate. I like that. Oh, wow. I'm excited about this listing for Joe Top. By the way, we talk a lot about helping buyers, but my whole team is really good at listing and selling homes too. They're just good. We're at an open house today. Joe is holding it open on a beautiful day. Now look at that paint color and look how it carries over to this built-in bookcase. Again, it comes with the house. They've done so many upgrades. I mentioned the garage. There's an epoxy floor out there. A lot of people like that. Well, it's done. That same epoxy type floor is also, so there's the den, is also in the, hey, there he is. Hey, Joe.
Hey, morning.
It's on the back porch as well. And things like when I mentioned the interior designer, she also helps with light fixtures. So, I mean, this is unique. From a high-end light purveyor, which is Lee Lighting. We like it real well. A lot of beautiful touches here. Crown molding on top of the 42-inch cabinets. Already got built-in. So many of these things are things that you would want to do if you bought it from the builder, but here it's already done. So you get to take advantage of that. Wow, the colors just flow. You've got blinds to pull up and down there on your big, beautiful windows. And 3 bedrooms and the den, of course. And then you've got this beautiful outdoor space with a lot that you may not even be able to get these days. I don't know whether they have wooded lots or not. I'll tell you who would know would be Joe. He knows. Joe has probably sold as many or more from my team members in Cresswind Wesley Chapel. He's out here all the time. Great relationship with the builder, with the sales agents. And Joe, like me, and Rodney has actually sat on the other side in the builder's model for a local builder, and he has a unique perspective. So you've got kind of a one person in the household side, yeah, and then the other person has their own special space right there. One thing Kolter's done here is these transom windows in the shower, very nice, very handy, with a 10-foot ceiling and an 8-foot door. There's so much to love here, but wait till we get outside. So again, a lot of times when you're buying, you fall in love with a plan. This is the Madison, very popular. And then you look for a lot. So the way it is, you pick a plan, you pick your structural options, you pick your lot. Now see, this is just made for outdoor living, to enjoy the outdoors. Number one, you got an epoxy floor. That makes it really elegant. You've got a screened porch, but beyond that, you've also got these reinforced, I call them balusters, but wow, that's gonna protect you there. This is awfully nice. Look at the woods, guys. Wow. Sitting outside and the wildlife and the nature of it all, really spectacular. So guys, we would love to help you. If you're interested in a 55 plus, to me, this is the premium one. This is Cresswind Wesley Chapel, and about halfway done now, on the way to about 600 homes. And if you're looking for timing, when my wife and I bought in here, timing was critical. So we bought a house that was halfway under construction. So we had a shorter time. And Joe can definitely help you if you want to build from scratch. He can definitely assist you in that. He's good at it. But this listing that he has is not to ignore. Really great. And so give me a call at 704-345-3400. Number one, if you'd like to see this house, I'll connect you to one of my other team members that would represent your best interest as a buyer. And then I'll connect you, they'll connect with Joe and see if we can make it happen. If you'd rather have Joe to come be your buyer agent, that's what you're going to tell me when you call. We'll work it out. 704-345-3400. Not only can we help you buy, we can help you list and sell your house as Joe's done here at Cresswind Wesley Chapel. Give me a call, 704-345-3400, and we'll see you in the next video.